Attention Instagram users. A new Reels feature lets you link multiple Reels together. If you're posting a series like Part 1, Part 2, or a tutorial, you can now connect them so your followers can watch in order without searching your profile. Here is how to link a Reel. When you upload a new Reel, you will see a new option called Link a Reel. Tap on this option, and you will be able to browse through your existing Reels to select the one you want to link. Once you have chosen the Reel, you can give it a title, for example, Part 2, Next Video, or any descriptive title that helps viewers understand the sequence. Keep in mind that the title can be up to 15 words long, so try to make it concise, clear, and easy for your audience to read. After you publish your Reel, the linked Reel will show up directly below the description, making it easy for viewers to see. Anyone watching your Reel can tap this link to go straight to the connected Reel, letting them continue watching the series or related content smoothly without having to search through your profile. You can edit your linked Reel at any time. You can update the title to better describe the Reel or make it more engaging for your audience, replace the linked Reel with a different one if you want to share something new, or remove the link completely if it's no longer necessary. This gives you full control over how your Reels are connected and seen by your audience. You are not limited to linking only the new Reels you post. You can also link a Reel to any Reels you have already posted on your profile. Linking Reels means your followers won't have to scroll through your profile to find earlier parts of your Reels.